Hello, good day and welcome to my channel. Now the question here says solve the inequality 3 bracket open 1 minus x bracket close all over 2 is less than 2 bracket open x minus 1 bracket close all over 3. Now for us to solve this, one method is to multiply each term, each part of the equation now by the LCM or the common denominator of 2 and 3. But I don't want to go in that direction. What I want to do here is to show us how to cross multiply in inequality so that we will not make mistake. Because cross multiplying in inequality can be done wrongly. So I want us to look at how to cross multiply in inequality so that we will not make mistake. Now, when you are cross multiplying in inequality, you cross multiply to the left hand side. That means you have to cross multiply such that you write the left hand side first. Because if you cross multiply such that you write the right hand side first, you have to reverse the inequality sign. Because if you are writing this right hand side first, this open end of the inequality is facing the right hand side. So because of that, you have to reverse the inequality sign. But the best way, the safer way is to cross multiply and write the left hand side first. In that case, you will not miss it because the inequality will remain in its original direction. Is that okay? Now, if we cross multiply, this 3 multiplies this is going to give us 3 multiplied by the 3 that is already here. Then bracket open x. Sorry, bracket open 1. This is 1 minus x. And then it's less than, this 2 multiplies this is going to give us 2 multiplied by 2 bracket open x minus 1. Now that we have cross multiply, we can now simplify. Please take note that the sign remains the same because we cross multiply to the left hand side. If you are cross multiplying to write the right hand side first, you have to reverse the inequality sign. So that is the trick that you have to be careful about here. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So I have 9 bracket open 1 minus x is less than 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 bracket open x minus 1 and bracket close. Now let's expand the bracket that we have there. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9, and then 9 multiplied by negative x is negative 9x, and it's less than 4 multiplied by x is 4x, and 4 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 4. So now we can collect like terms. Let's collect the terms in x on the left hand side. So this is negative 9x. So I'll still write it here as negative 9x because it is still on the left hand side. And then this is positive 4x. When it crosses to the left hand side, it becomes negative 4x. And then it's less than, this is negative 4 already on the left hand side. So I'm writing it still on the left hand side as negative 4. And then this is positive 9. Now coming to this side, it becomes negative 9. So you can see that when the values are changing sides, their signs also change. So now the next thing to do is to add this together, or we subtract this. So negative 9x minus 4x will give us negative 13x. And that is less than negative 4 minus 9 will give us negative 13 as well. And then we can now divide both sides by negative 13 in order to get the value of x. So divide by negative 13 and then divide by negative 13. Now there's another thing you have to be careful about here. In inequality, when we are dividing both sides by a negative value, please don't forget, reverse the inequality sign. This is very, very important. When you are dividing both sides of an inequality by a negative value, please don't forget to reverse the inequality sign. So negative 13 cancel negative 13, and then we are left with x on this side. And then because we are dividing by a negative number, we are going to reverse the inequality sign. So this becomes greater than, and then negative 13 divided by negative 13 will give us a positive 1 because negative cancel negative. And so this becomes the final answer, that x is greater than 1. Hope you enjoyed all the special things you are supposed to be doing in inequality so that you not encounter any error. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.